Today is a historic moment.
Historic moment, it is.
Yes. It's been a long journey for Timor-Leste. We are very happy.
Thank you.
And we want to congratulate you.
Thank you.
You know
Thank
that
you.
Singapore has stood with you for a long
Thank you very
time.
much. Thank you very much.
All our cooperation program,
Thank you.
the E-Stars,
Thank you.
as well as the initiative for ASEAN integration.
Thank you.
I also want to congratulate you for your personal
Thank you.
efforts over years for this.
Thank you.
And of course, to congratulate President Ramos Horta and Prime Minister.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
All good friends.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a really very historic moment for us, for our long journey. This year we are completing 50 years of our struggle for freedom, and exactly these 50 years we are becoming full member of ASEAN. We appreciate very much all support from ASEAN member states, especially from Singapore, as well as other member states who fully supported us in this process. We acknowledge with our heart gratitude, and we hope after post-accession more to come.
Even more.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you.
thank you,
All the very
thank you.
best.